Highway 1 leads us through Carmel Highlands toward Monastery Beach and the protected coast of Point Lobos. The route begins beneath Monterey cypress and eucalyptus, with homes partly hidden on the wooded slopes of Carmel Highlands.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palm.
Stone walls, curving pavement, and wind-shaped trees give this residential stretch a quiet character distinct from the open Big Sur cliffs.
You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted. You've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through.
As the road straightens, the forest opens slightly and Highway 1 begins its final approach toward the southern edge of Carmel.
Better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares.
A brown sign on the right announces Point Lobos State Natural Reserve 1 mile ahead, confirming the next landmark on our route.
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you,
Point Lobos protects a rugged meeting place of rocky shoreline, Monterey cypress forest, marine habitat, and walking trails.
I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid.
The Pacific appears again on the left as the roadway descends toward the open shoreline around Monastery Beach.
Feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palm. Play with me like cats and a string.
Monastery Beach is known for its striking crescent of sand, but powerful surf and a steep underwater drop make the water especially dangerous.
Set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares.
Rows of parked cars line the roadside pullouts, showing how popular this easily reached coastal viewpoint is with evening visitors. Golden light spreads across the clouds and ocean while Highway 1 continues north between the beach and low coastal hills. The open beach view soon gives way to taller trees as we near the entrance corridor for Point Lobos State Natural Reserve.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the
This short drive connects the dramatic Big Sur coast with the greener Monterey Peninsula.
You don't understand the
Behind us are Garrapatta and Carmel Highlands, ahead are Point Lobos and Carmel by the Sea.
wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted. You've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head. I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out.
Thanks for traveling with 7080 Working Diary. Our Highway 1 journey continues into Carmel,